Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to automatically change date in AutoCAD. So for that, what you have to do is you just have to type in field FIELD, enter from the categories option, which will come right over here. You have to go to the category of date, and then you have to select your intended format of your date. So like you have month, day, year, you have the day written. So for my considered format is always the date, month and the year format. You just have to press OK, and then after it come after it comes to the screen, you just have to specify its point. Right now the scale is very small because of the drawing. All you have to do is just pick a point on the date and scale it to your needed area, and just press Control S. So after that, today's date is 25/12/2025. By the way, Merry Christmas. And so when you open this file again tomorrow and just save it, Control S and RE enter. So your date will automatically will be updated, and you don't